Full Pictory AI Tutorial 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you the full Pictory AI Tutorial 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now I am on the app.pictory.ai sign up and I can start my free trial. So you can just fill off this or you can also continue with Google. I will choose that option right there and I will continue with my Google account right here. Then after that, this will load and this will sign me up to Pictory.ai, and it's just as easy as that, creating an account. So as you can see, it is loading, so let's just wait for it. So you can click on any video goal or just click on next, click on solo and click on next, click on this right here and click on submit. So right here, you can actually add a script to video. So you can start typing or copy paste your script and it will generate educational videos or all of these videos right here. So if you click on proceed right here, so let's click on proceed. So you can start typing right here. So let's type in something like, hello everyone, so glad finally meet you. So you can type in something like that. And as you can see, it is saving. Then after it's been saved, you can click on proceed right here and it will add in a template library right here. So you can actually choose from anything like this. So for example, I will choose this right here, the corporate, and I will choose this 1:1. You can choose the ratio that you want, but I will choose that one right there. So this script to video will actually provide a video to your script, and as you can see, it is searching for visuals and all of that right there. So as you can see, it is now 100% completed. So as you can see, let's just wait for it to create the scene of that we have. And then after that, you can click on got it right here. And as you can see, if we click on play right here, you can see that the text that we have is actually being generated like this right here. And we only also have a video that we have. So that's the first tool. So if we head over to Pictory.ai again, we can choose in other tools right here. So you can also take this article to video. So this article to video is also the same, but you can also copy paste the URL. So for example, if you try to look for articles with dogs, so if you click on this right here, so let's click on this right here, dog articles. You can see all of this right here, are dogs good for kids? So if you click on this link right here and you copy it to this, and if you click on proceed, then let's try to click on it. And this will turn the article that we have pasted by extracting the key messages in the article and then turning it into a video. So it's also the same as earlier, but in this we don't have to copy or extract the script because it will be provided by article. So just click on next right here and you can also choose a templates library again. So for this, let's choose this graceful. So just choose whatever you want. So I will choose it to be 16:9. So again, it will also generate a video, and as you can see, it is 10%, 30% completed. So let's just wait for it to be 100% completed and it will create the scene for us. So just click on it right there. So as you can see, the visuals are ready. So let's just wait for that. There's actually 7 scenes, so it's taking a very long time, but it is almost done. So as you can see right here, the title is here. So if we click on play right here, as you can see, it will actually open. And this is the scene 1, and then this is the scene 2, this is the scene 3. As you can see, if you have a dog or know how to increase quality of life, it will actually create a video for you and you don't have to do it manually by yourself. So if you click on Pictory.ai again here, you can also see other this edit video using text, or you can also see this visuals to video. So in here, you can just input video from various sources and it will give you some text. And also this visuals to video, you can drag and drop files for video files or images, and it will create short videos using your existing images and video clips. So that's all that you can do on this Pictory AI, and I hope we have helped you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you the full tutorial on how to use the Pictory AI. If you have questions or comments, can you put in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.